Sprint Retrospective. The Sprint Retrospective is a time-box meeting which ties the Agile principle of inspect and adapt. In this meeting, the team focuses on what worked in the sprint and what could be improved. I have observed different styles of running a retrospective, but my personal style is to keep it as close to the Scrum guide as possible and ask only two questions of the team. What worked during the last sprint? What could be improved in the next sprint? Each team member should speak one at a time so the rest of the team can hear clearly. The meeting needs to be time-boxed strictly as usual, but should be long enough to allow the team space to express themselves. This is an opportunity for everyone to be transparent. For example, if the amount of absenteeism in the sprint is a key blocker, nobody should feel negative about saying so. It may not be the fault of anyone in particular, and it may be an issue that the Scrum Master can help solve by arranging backfill for the team members quickly or being ready to replace long-term absentees, for example. The outcome of this meeting should be that the whole team have had a chance to reflect on the issues and suggest improvements. This adds value and helps them to deliver the product to a higher standard of quality. It also helps them to realize the positives and what they do, which boost team morale. In other words, not only should we say, if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it, we should also say, if it works, we'll keep doing it. As tempting as it is, the Scrum team need to avoid turning the meeting into a complain fest. I believe the minor details in Scrum make all the difference, and the purpose of asking, what could we improve, rather than, what went badly, is that our focus is on rapid improvement. This way, we build the team up rather than depress them. Do not get me wrong. We all need to get our thoughts off our chest, and that is partially what this retrospective allows. However, I have found that the meeting is always more productive if we take a positive approach. In summary, the Sprint Retrospective works very well as the final piece of the sprint puzzle. It usually leaves everyone feeling that they have completed a piece of the project and have had an opportunity to suggest improvements. I strongly suggest that retrospective suggestions are put into practice as soon as possible after the meeting, since this demonstrates early progress and boosts the whole team. I can honestly say that retrospectives carried out correctly positively transform failing projects into successful ones on a sprint-by-sprint basis. This forms a crucial part of the Scrum factory, in essence refining the quality of the process and product.